In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Facebook from dark mode to light mode. If your screen has been looking a little too dim, or you simply prefer a brighter workspace, this quick walkthrough will help you bring your Facebook page interface back to a clean, light look. Start by heading to your Facebook page. Make sure you're viewing the page you manage, not just your personal feed. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your page dashboard and management tools. From here, you'll open Settings. The Settings area is where Facebook stores most of the controls that affect how things look and behave, so it's the right place to adjust your display. Inside Settings, look for Preferences. This section covers your general experience options, including visual themes. Facebook occasionally updates its layout, but the label Preferences is the place you want to be for appearance choices like dark mode. Within Preferences, find the dark mode option. You'll see a drop-down menu right next to it. Go ahead and click that drop-down. You'll have choices for how Facebook displays its interface, and to move away from the darker palette, you'll select Off. The moment you choose Off, Facebook applies the change to the page and interface, returning everything to the standard light theme. You should notice brighter backgrounds, higher contrast for black text on white, and more accurate color perception for images and thumbnails, which can be especially helpful if you review creative assets or want a consistent look with other apps set to light mode. This switch affects the way you see Facebook. It doesn't alter your content or how others experience your posts. It's simply a personal display preference. If you work in well-lit spaces or find that dark backgrounds strain your eyes over time, light mode can offer clearer readability and a more familiar look, especially during daytime hours. A couple of quick reminders as you finish up. The setting takes effect immediately, so there's nothing else you need to confirm. If your interface takes a moment to update, that's just Facebook catching up in the background. And because Facebook occasionally refreshes its design, the wording or exact placement of preferences may shift slightly, but the dark mode toggle remains within your page settings area. That's it. Your Facebook page and interface are now back in light mode. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the brighter view as you continue managing your page.